I am Dr. Shraddha Ashapure, Assistant Professor, associated with Government Model College, Jhabwa. I will explain you in this video how to learn English all by yourself. As we all know, English is the key to success in personal as well as professional life. Importance and value of English is now understood by all. It is no more a foreign language, but it is an instrument for advance, science, technology and success. I am going to give you a miracle mantra to become pro, a master in English, both spoken as well as written, and all by yourself. Learning of every type demands dedication, determination, and strong will. Use this 4-letter magic mantra, that is LSRW. These are actually skills, LSRW skills, and become expert in English. Let me expand it for you. L stands for listening skills, S speaking skills, R reading skills, and W represent writing skills. Now let's first focus on listening skills. Listening is mother of all kind of learning. Listening is the foundation. Unfortunately, nowhere in our education system there is any lesson, any course in how to become good listeners. This is the need of the hour, that such type of courses where students can be taught how to hone their listening skills should be incorporated. Well, taking you back to the topic, listening skills. Let me ask you one question. How did you learn your mother tongue? Were you sent to any coaching class to learn your mother tongue? Your mother tongue is your first language that you learn from your family, from your neighborhood. And your obvious answer is you learn your mother tongue through listening. Listening is such powerful instrument. In case of English also, you have to use this listening power, listening skills. Now devote daily 10 to 20 minutes for the beginners. Later you can extend time up to 30 minutes or 40 minutes. So initially you listen daily for 10 minutes YouTube videos in English, listen any music, any song in English, watch English movies. By continuously doing this for at least 1 month will improve your English drastically and dramatically. Now we will talk about the second skill for learning English by yourself, and that is speaking skills. Now the question arises, whom to speak? You are always with you 24/7. What I mean to say is, start speaking with yourself in English. Your thinking process should start in English. Now most of the Hindi medium students, what they do, first they think in Hindi and then they translate into English, and that is why they take a lot of time to speak in English and it is full of errors. So first start thinking in English and then start speaking yourself small sentences in English, like there is a word called auto suggestion. So you keep on suggesting yourself so many things around the clock. So you should start suggesting yourself, start self-talk in English. For example, small sentence like, I am feeling hungry, why am I listening to this, what is the outcome of this, should I go now? So these small sentences should come to you in English, and this is not impossible, it is possible through practice and habit. You can also talk to your friend circle, to your family members. Another technique to polish your speaking skill is start talking to yourself looking into mirror. This is known as mirror talk. Talk to yourself in English looking at mirror. And you can also call customer care numbers, and then you can opt for English language. This will give you a great deal of practice for speaking English by yourself. The third skill that we are going to talk about is reading skills. You all must develop reading taste. Now, how to develop taste for reading? Start reading daily, on daily basis, any local English newspaper. Read it religiously, sincerely, and honestly. You can also sit and take two newspapers, one of Hindi and one of English. Focus on any particular news, maybe political news or local news. First read in Hindi and then read the same news in English. In this way you will be able to understand news fully in English. Secondly, you should also make this habit of always taking notes of all the difficult words that you are not able to understand while reading. Jot down all these words, and later when you get time, find out the meaning, learn the pronunciation, and include those words in your daily conversations. You can also develop reading habits by reading good self-help books, motivational books. Nowadays there are so many good books available offline, online, so you can develop good reading habits, and it will help you a lot. And reading skills, the highest benefit of reading skills is that it will automatically, spontaneously develop your vocabulary. You don't have to put in extra efforts to develop your vocabulary. So reading is such a good skill, it is such a nice habit that will make you a very good reader as well as learner. Now let's talk about our last skill, that is writing skills. Writing skills are very easy to develop. All you need it is to develop habit of writing diary. Write all the important events that happen to you, or you may also write your daily routine in your diary, your goals, your mission, your vision of life, what you want from your lives, your dreams, your wishes, and whatnot. Another suggestion from me to develop your writing skills is maintain a gratitude journal. It may sound wonderful to you, but actually it is of immense help. Daily, if not more than, at least make a point to write 10 sentences of thanksgiving to whatever you feel gratitude to. You can start with your family. First of all, you can start with yourself. Be grateful to your healthy body. Be grateful to your source, to Almighty God, for giving you all your blessings. It is said, count your blessings. So when you start writing your blessings, when you start making list of all those things for whom you are grateful for, that will give you a very good exposure of writing skills, as well as it will develop in you an attitude of gratitude. As it is said that attitude of gratitude is the best attitude. So these are the 4 skills. Now start giving 10 minutes each to these skills for at least 1 month. 10 minutes daily won't cost you anything. You can easily spare 10 minutes for each skill, and then later on you can increase the time duration for each skills, and eventually you will notice that with this technique of LSRW, your English has improved a lot, even beyond your expectations. Therefore, practice English, make English your habit. I hope this video has helped you. Now it's time to implement what you have learned right now, and thank you so much.